Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can start Etsy dropshipping. Now I'm going to be showing guys everything you need to know about how you can start dropshipping on Etsy, what retailer or supplier that you are going to use, what are the best suppliers, everything I will answer all your questions in this video. And even if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Like all you have to do guys to start Etsy dropshipping is to find a supplier. Now the best supplier is AliExpress, and you may say, okay, the shipping time is very long. I'm going to say that most buyers on Etsy, they don't care about the shipping time. They just want to find a cheap item, and you want to find something that you really want. Like they can wait 20 days, 30 days, doesn't really matter. Now, before you start using AliExpress, probably you don't know anything about Etsy dropshipping, how it works. How dropshipping on Etsy works is, for example, if someone buys something from you, for example, you are selling this necklace, okay? And someone purchased this item from you. What you are going to do, you are going to take the address of the person. You will find it after you get a sale. You will receive a notification here where it says update, and you will find that your account got sale, and click on it, and you will find the address of the person that has bought this item from you. What you do next is you go to AliExpress, you find the same product, okay, and then you purchase the item, and then instead of putting your address, you put the address of the buyer that has purchased the item from your store on Etsy. How easy is it? I'm sorry. This is very easy. Like you can start this business with no money, almost no money. Of course, you have to get like at least like $20 or $10. It depends on the price of the item that you are planning to sell on Etsy. Now, it just needs some money at the beginning. After that, just $20 is enough, or $10. If you don't have money, you can start with $5. That's it. Now the first thing you need to do, like I said, is to find a supplier. I suggest using AliExpress. Don't go with any other suppliers if you don't want, like, you will get your account banned if you use any other suppliers like Amazon or anything like that, because Etsy is special. Like you can only sell handmade products. Like you can sell everything you see on AliExpress. I'm gonna be showing guys what you need to do to start dropshipping from AliExpress to Etsy. Now you don't need to sell anything here, because if you do that, your account will get banned. So you don't have to sell, like I said, everything. If you see, for example, this like this thing, you don't just copy that and then you put, like, it's not handmade. It came from a company. This is a company that sells these things, so you don't have to do that. Now what you need to do guys, you want to sell something that looks like it's handmade, okay, so that you can have a legit business. Of course you can sell anything on AliExpress, but I don't want you guys to get banned like months after. Like you don't want that. Like you don't want to work hard and after that all your hard work is gone. You want to find a reliable business like that I'm about to show you, like the business that I'm about to show you right now, that will work for you months after months, years after years, and then you make money while you sleep. You don't have to worry about your account getting banned. Now, like I said, start with AliExpress, and then what you need to do guys next, you want to go to Etsy, not AliExpress, and find what people are selling on Etsy. Okay, this as you can see, this necklace, okay, for women. Now what you need to do guys, you want to sell the same thing. You want to go to AliExpress and search for necklace for woman custom name. Now why I type it custom name, so that it will look like it's handmade. When you post this product on your Etsy account, Etsy will not recognize that you are a dropshipper. Okay, now they don't stop you from dropshipping. They stop you from listing items that are not handmade, because Etsy is special. Like I said, you can only sell handmade products. Now go to AliExpress and find something that looks it's handmade. For example, I like this one. What you need to do guys, you want to list the same item. Now what you need to do guys next is to open your shop on Etsy. If you haven't done that already, just click on shop manager in the top right, or sale. If you don't have a shop, click on sale, and after that guys, you want to click on shop. After that you want to select the country, for example United States. The currency, always go with dollars. The currency, select dollars, save and continue. As you can see, the shop name, it doesn't really matter, just enter there anything you want. People don't look at your shop name, they look at what you can offer. For example, the products, the service, like they don't care about the shop name that much. Just click save and continue, and here you have to download these pictures from AliExpress. Now you might be wondering how you can download these pictures from AliExpress so that you can start listing the item. Now you want to search on Google, search for download pictures from AliExpress, okay, and then select click the first extension, and then click add to Chrome. It says for me here remove from Chrome because I already added this extension. Just click on add to Chrome and then click add to Chrome, and then boom. Now whenever you open an item on AliExpress, you will find here these 4 different options here where you can download images. Now if you click on download main images, as you can see, it's downloaded. Now you can start listing the item on your Etsy account. Now if you have time and you want this to be 100% like if you don't want your account to get banned in the future, you want to make sure everything is fine, make sure you edit these pictures. I'm telling, like, you don't have to edit like some crazy edits, just increase the brightness a little bit or decrease the brightness, or like just make it something, just make it a little bit better. If you can just make it bigger or anything like that, make it, if you don't know the size of Etsy pictures, just enter their Etsy size image and you will find here the size. Okay, this is the size, and then you make it the same size, and after that you start uploading the pictures. Okay, now as you can see, I just upload all these pictures. And after that, guys, you wanna enter here you wanna type here the title of the item. Now if you are selling a necklace for a woman, you wanna go to Etsy and search for someone who has a title that is proven to work. For example, this title has 100,000 100,000 sales. That's crazy. Like if you go with 100,000, this guy is selling it for $20. Let's just see how much money this guy is making. Okay, x $20, it's, as you can see, $20 million. Isn't that crazy? Like $20 million from one listing is not crazy, is ridiculously crazy. Now what you need to, guys, you want to copy that title, that exact title, and then you go to your Etsy and make sure you change the title. Don't list the same title, because of course like you don't sell the same thing. Okay, like AliExpress, as you can see, for women, and you can just change something in the title. It doesn't really matter what you change. For example, add something here, something special to the title so that you can make it your own title. And then as you can see here, guys, it says homemade. It just tell them that I did, or another company or person. I will leave you with this information because they are very easy, just finished product when made to order. Description, copy the description of the Etsy seller, not a AliExpress seller, because I don't want you guys to get banned using AliExpress, because Etsy is very smart. So copy the Etsy seller is description. Okay, now after you do this, guys, you have to do something else. If you don't want to copy the description from the seller on Etsy, you can go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT, hi, I want a product description for the title, and then enter the title, and it will give you the description, and then you can just add it to your listing. This is the ChatGPT, which is very popular. Just click, if you don't know how to use it, just search on YouTube how to use ChatGPT. Okay, now next thing you want to do, guys, after you list this, you want to just enter the price of the item. Make sure the profit is high. Don't forget that Etsy takes a percentage of the sales, so always increase the price. For example, this one is selling it for $4. You want to go with $90.99. Okay, and then the quantity is one. or add 3 in the quantity 3. And variation, if the product has variation, you can add it here. If you don't know how to list on Etsy, just search on YouTube how to list on Etsy from AliExpress, and you will find a lot of videos how to list on Etsy. And you will find a lot of videos here showing you how you can do that in just few minutes. So I hope guys this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If this video helped you, please drop a like, and if you want to learn more about Etsy, click the video in the screen and you will be able to learn more about Etsy dropshipping so that you can make $3,000 a month with Etsy dropshipping. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day.